Welcome to TECHx Media, live from Gitex Global 2025. I'm joined by William O'Neill, Area VP and General Manager at ServiceNow. Along with him, I have Amar Juluri, Global VP Enterprise Applications at LTI Mindtree. Let's welcome both of the esteemed guests at TECHx Media.
Pleasure.
How are you doing today?
Fantastic. Great. Energized.
Yeah. So, ServiceNow and LTI Mindtree have successfully proven what a successful partnership template looks like. So, my first question is for you, Amar. How does ServiceNow fit into your broader vendor portfolio?
ServiceNow, honestly, is an integral component of our growth story. And the partnership, as you said, is true template for anybody else to replicate. ServiceNow is not just a mere vendor for us. It's a holistic 360-degree partnership that we cherish with ServiceNow. We're not only a global top 22 partner, but we run our business at LTI Mindtree on ServiceNow. So we have a significant spend. We are the largest customer for ServiceNow in the region. We have implemented IT, HR, risk and compliance, and strategic portfolio management. And when both LTI and Mindtree merged, it was the power of ServiceNow that allowed us to accelerate the merger. So it's truly important platform for our growth, our operations from both standpoints, right? Now we look at ServiceNow as a true integration backbone across our cloud and infra, across CRM, across ERP, and across data, wherein we are able to bring in a unified experience and a unified ecosystem across tech stacks, and thereby creating a unified process experience across the enterprise. That's what we specialize, right? So if you talk about value, the value is very simple, right? Unified experiences, simplified processes, thereby reducing the complexity, reducing the operational cost, improving employee experience, improving customer experience, right? So, I mean, it's a tick in the box from an end-to-end enterprise, internal as well as external standpoint.
Interesting. So, William, you tell us, how does LTI Mindtree fit into your broader strategy?
So ServiceNow is the AI platform for transformation, and LTI Mindtree are a transformational partner. What we're doing within the region is aligning to the vision of private organizations and government in terms of what that vision is, that transformational programs that they want to run. It's incredibly important that we work with the right partners. And to Amar's point, we're both very aligned in what that joint value proposition is. And more importantly, to our customers' vision, we want to help them achieve those outcomes, all right? And that goes hand in hand in terms of growth, acceleration, advisory, the implementation. And that partnership that we form, those resources that we have locally on the ground, safeguards those objectives and helps them come to fruition. That's what's very exciting. Partnership.
Great. So, Amar, ServiceNow is widely seen as AI platform for business transformation. How is LTI Mindtree helping customers adopt the capabilities of Now platform?
So we walk the talk, right? As I said, we have a huge implementation of ServiceNow. So we adopted AI ourselves. Then we told customers as to how and where to adopt, what use cases to prioritize, right? Because there's a lot going on in the AI world that customers are truly not having the direction on where to go, right? That's where our consulting-led conversations with the customer, helping them pick the right use cases is going to be very important. So as we implement for IT as well as HR, when we go meet our customers, we showcase our success internally within LTI Mindtree. So that's one selling point. Two, we've also created this whole beautiful art of possible, right? This is not slideware. This is real agents in action built together with ServiceNow in an agentic central offering packaged on the store, right? And this has use cases from simple to complex, from IT to core business. For example, how can we do a touchless supplier onboarding? How can we do a near zero touch migration from a legacy CRM to ServiceNow CR? How can we build end-to-end observability, and how can we drive and create agents to ensure maximum availability, right? So the art of possible is so much, but you need to show it for customers to understand where to prioritize. So we help them prioritize, we draw the direction, we handhold them into the journey, right? So then comes the question of adoption at scale, right? So customers typically, we suggest them to start on the basics and then move further, right? To start with IT and then go into the complex core enterprise processes. As the ServiceNow platform expanded in the organization, we take the journey together in the same direction.
Team co-creation is a big part of ServiceNow partner value proposition. Can you cite some examples of unique solutions that you have developed for specific customers?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, we're in the era of agentic AIs, and especially in the region in terms of innovation and exploration, definitely exploration. And what we're doing together with LTI is very much building something that has a very understandable, quick time to value, solid return on investment, and business impact. Around specifics like Amar was talking about, we look at the IT side, talking about autonomous IT, autonomous operations, and what that looks like from the top line impact, and bringing those POCs or that program to fruition. And when we deliver, and we deliver on those success metrics, which we do in a very quick time, it's very digestible for the whole organization to understand what this looks like for scale. Because we know that businesses and the public sector are looking at compliance and governance and what's in it for me and what's the return on investment here. And ServiceNow and LTI Mindtree are best placed within the region right now to deliver that. And we're starting to see that come to fruition at scale.
So thanks to our partnership with ServiceNow, while we're collaborating with William and team on the autonomous IT initiative, wherein we're driving AI infusion into existing footprint, we're also bringing in the depth and breadth of our domain capabilities, right? So we're very strong on banking and financial services, very strong on insurance. So for insurance, together with ServiceNow, we're building something called as the Smart Underwriter, which is AI and agentic AI driven, that automates the life cycle of an underwriting and an underwriter process, right? So that brings down the entire underwriting from weeks to days. That's one powerful, deep domain-centric capability. We're also working with ServiceNow in building out a very special product. It's going to be an end-to-end product, which is work in progress. We connected with the partner acceleration team as well as ServiceNow's product engineering team to come out with the blueprint of what it looks like from a private market standpoint. If you have to create a fund, if you have to look for investors, how do you manage a fund life cycle? How do you manage the investor life cycle and all that? So it's, again, as I said, it's very deep in terms of domain, right? So combining the powerful platform capabilities plus combining and bringing in together the deep domain capabilities to create a solution that today doesn't exist but can add significant value is another dimension with which we approach this whole situation, right? So the co-creation comes on existing platform and overlays on the existing platforms. But this is not possible if both ServiceNow and LTI Mindtree are not aligned together, right? So this journey together has been very helpful, not just for us, but I think it's truly helping and adding value to our customers.
All right.
I fully agree.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much, William, Amar, for your time. It was a pleasure talking.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Thank you for watching.